Join me as I challenge myself to find the quickest ways for moms to start making money online today. Making money online as a mom can be a total game changer. Imagine having the flexibility to work from anywhere, at any time, and still be able to take care of your family's needs. It's a dream shared by many, but achieved by few. But today, I want to show you that it's definitely possible to start making money online fast, even as a busy mom. One of the biggest challenges moms face when trying to balance family responsibilities with earning an income is time. Let's face it, our days are already packed with taking care of the kids, cooking, cleaning, and a million other tasks. Finding extra time to pursue a career or start a business can seem like an impossible feat. And to make matters worse, many of us lack the knowledge or skills to start making money online in the first place. Another major obstacle is the feeling of uncertainty. With so many online opportunities out there, it's hard to know which ones are legitimate and which ones are just a waste of time. And what if you're not tech savvy? How do you even get started? These are all valid concerns that can hold us back from taking the leap. But despite these challenges, many of us are driven to want more for ourselves and our families. We want to be able to provide for our kids, to give them the best possible life, and to have some financial security in the process. So how do we overcome these obstacles and start making money online? For some moms, freelance work can be a great option. If you have a particular skill, such as writing, graphic design, or social media management, you can offer your services to clients all over the world. And the best part is, you can do it all from the comfort of your own home, in your pajamas if you want to. Another option is online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor, helping students from all over the world. Starting an e-commerce store is another great way to make money online. You can source products from suppliers, or even create your own products, and sell them through an online platform. The beauty of it is, you can work on your store at any time, whether that's during nap time, in the evening, or on the weekends. And the potential for passive income is huge. One mom who was able to quickly start making money online is Janice, who started selling print-on-demand products through an online store. She was able to earn over $1,000 in her first month, which was a huge achievement for her. And the best part is, she was able to do it all while taking care of her 2 young kids. Her story is truly inspiring, and it shows that with the right mindset and strategy, anyone can start making money online. Janice's success didn't happen overnight, however. She had to put in the work, learning about marketing, branding, and sales. But she was determined to succeed, and her perseverance paid off. Her story is a testament to the fact that making money online is possible, even for busy moms. My favorite way to make extra money online is through affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can sell someone else's products or services online and be paid a commission for every sale. Network marketing is another great way to create a significant income online. With network marketing, you not only benefit from your efforts, but you also benefit from the efforts of your entire marketing team. I personally have used both of these methods to create a significant income stream in my spare time. So what's the takeaway from today's video? Making money online as a mom is definitely possible, but it requires taking action and being willing to learn. There are many opportunities out there, whether it's freelance work, online tutoring, affiliate marketing, network marketing, or starting an e-commerce store. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you had any success making money online? What strategies have worked for you? Share your experiences with me, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on making money online.